This afternoon is certainly going to be the timing that we expect most of those storms to arrive across Kentuckiana. We already had a rainy start to our morning, bit of a loud start too. Thunderstorms passed through earlier today across Kentuckiana, and we're still tracking some of those storms. They're really going to be arriving in multiple waves. So we're still under some of those showers at the moment, but excessive rainfall is still going to be possible throughout a majority of our afternoon time. And then we have cooler temperatures in the forecast later on this week. Bit of that activity that we saw earlier this morning now turning into just rain showers. They've lost a bit of their steam, and those thunderstorms have now weakened a bit as they've continued to make their way farther off towards the east. Now, some of that activity still traveling along I-71, and a few small thunderstorms will likely be passing through the Louisville metro and portions of Kentucky as we head into the later parts of our morning time. But this is how things are looking over the last hour. You'll notice a lot of those showers and storms passed through earlier, and now we're going to see some of those storms still linger around for the course of our morning time. There are still some warnings or some watches in place. We have a flood watch in place for our southernmost counties until 2 a.m. And then for our more western counties, there's a tornado watch in place until 8 a.m., which will be expiring fairly soon. But a level 3 out of 5 chance for storms to develop into more severe weather storms as we head into the later parts of our afternoon. You want to make sure you have ways of receiving severe weather alerts, because these storms are not only going to include heavy rain, but they'll have some strong winds associated with them too as they develop later on into our afternoon time. So these showers will still continue into the later parts of the morning. Some rumbles of thunder and some brief wind gusts will be possible, and then we'll start to see things ease up a bit by the afternoon. There may even be some pops of sunshine, and those sunny conditions will charge the atmosphere back up, and that's going to allow for thunderstorms to redevelop later on this evening. These are going to be the ones that we pay close attention to. They're going to contain those very heavy downpours, and some gusty winds will be possible. And as these storms mature out, they still could develop into ones that contain the possibility for some of those spin-up tornadoes. So we're going to watch things very carefully into our early evening hours. These storms are going to be intense at times and definitely bring in some heavy rain showers. As we head later on into our night, things begin to calm down. We've got a few lingering clouds for our Wednesday morning, leading to a few isolated shower chances just into the later parts of Wednesday afternoon. Rainfall totals could be exceeding over an inch, especially in those thunderstorms that really bring in those heavy downpours. So it is going to be a fairly rainy trend until we head into the later parts of the week. Thursday, we're still expecting a few isolated showers here and there through the afternoon time, but then those north winds really bring in the sunshine for our Friday morning. Friday afternoon will just include a few passing clouds. Into Memorial Day weekend, we start off with mostly sunny skies. Very nice on Saturday. For Sunday, a few isolated showers and then scattered showers possible on Memorial Day on Monday. That's a quick check of weather this morning. Here's a look at traffic this morning on our Trimark live cameras there. Some ponding on the roadways because of these showers that we saw, but otherwise everyone else moving along just fine. I-71, I-64, I-65, all good around there. If anything changes, we'll let you know. Jim?